Okay. Hey guys, I am just going to create a little video so that you know what the expectation is and how to check your classwork for math. Because I have couple of people commenting on some assignments instead of actually completing them. So, okay, let me get my stuff to the side. Okay, so here are all of my classes. All right, so this might look familiar to you on your iPad. I'm going to click over here to Bergman Math. Okay, so this is what you see. So here's our stream. Okay, so it says up here, here's our stream. So this is where people can make comments. Okay, so I've added a couple of comments. Abby has mentioned on here, I miss you, Baron. I can respond back to Abby. I've talked to Baron, those things, and Dakota too. It says, hi, I miss you, love Dakota. So super cool. Malachi has put on here, what is the quiz number code? So I feel like we're a little bit confused. What we need to do up here, click on classwork. When you click on classwork, here is the list of what is going to be due for math. So Malachi, here's what you can do. You can click right here on Abby and Malachi quizzes. You'll click on this and here's your quizzes code. Okay, so this is only for Abby and Malachi. Okay, this isn't for everybody. You'll each have different ones. So Abby and Malachi, Abby's already done this one. So Malachi, you're gonna click this code right here, 141844, into your quizzes, either app or on your quizzes website. Okay, so this will be your code, and make sure you put in Malachi Kunze so that I know who it is. So Carter and Jackson will do the same thing for their quizzes, and Baron, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make this smaller. There we go. Baron and Asher also have one. Okay, here's another little piece that might be a little bit confusing. Sorry, is my glare on my glasses? Here, I'll move these out of the way. So write the number that is 10 less. See, I can see this, so I know that some of you guys have commented, which is great. What I want you to do is click on this, and you are going to then see your assignment. So this is what I've put on here. So it says springtime riddle. Okay, so you can click on this, and then it'll show up like this, and you'll be able to write on it. Okay, so on your iPad, I can't do that unfortunately because I am on my computer, but on your iPad, you'll be able to either use your finger or you can type in, sorry, you can't see where I'm pointing, obviously. So on here, the directions for each number, find the number that is 10 less, write it below the flower pot, then find the answer and write the letter in the correct place to solve the riddle. Okay, that seems a little bit confusing. Here's what you're going to do. We don't need the letters for right now, so please don't worry about that. Look at this number right here, 27. So you're going to think of what number is 10 less than 27. Okay, so 10 less. On our hundreds chart, we think of going up because up is less. So 10 less than 27 would be 17. So we would write a 17 right here. Obviously I can't because I can't edit on here. I'm sorry that I'm not doing this on an iPad. So same thing here, 98, 10 less than 98, you would either type or write in 88. Okay, so once you have all of those answers, 10 less, then you're gonna be able to write your answers here. So remember on this one, we had the number 17. So it has a letter E. You're gonna go down here on 17, you're gonna write an E. Okay, so this is going to be your answer to your riddle. Okay, so it should automatically save for you, and then you can turn it in. Do you see I have two things that are turned in? I see that Baron and Abby did it. So Abby has already completed. Hers says, nailed it, nice work. So here's what hers looks like. So here's the one I sent to her, and here's the one that's edited. So this is the one I know that she did, okay? So this is what hers looks like. As it loads. Oh, just kidding. There we go. So that was one I sent to her. Here's the one that's edited. So Abby chose to type her answers in. So she clicked on here on her iPad and typed her answers in. So here this is just what we talked about. So 27, 10 less is 17. Okay. So then she sent it to me. I don't need to return it to her. If it was incorrect or if I needed to write a note to her, I could do that. But right here, I can access this as well. So it's already turned in and she's good to go. Okay. Barron says that it's turned in. However, there isn't any math on here. So Barron, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go in and type on here, and then you're going to need to return it to me. This one says it's edited. Oh, maybe it is. Just kidding. Way to go. Thanks, Barron. You nailed it. Okay, awesome. Okay, so Barron finished his. Barron, the last thing you need to do is write your answer down here so I know what your answer to your riddle is. It's a nice job. I'm just going to return that to you. And then you'll be able to see and make those changes. Okay, hopefully this clears up a few things. Sorry, I'll try to get out of here. So what you need to remember, yikes, Bergman math, sorry. Here's our stream of just mainly comments and communications, which you can do with me and your friends. And then this part right here, classwork, this is where you're going to find the assignments, okay? Don't need to worry about anything that's not listed for you for these quizzes. But the other ones, if it's assigned to you, you'll be able to access it. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Good luck. Thank you.